Welcome to your Soil Scout Hub, your window into your soil's health. In the Scout list, you have access to all your individual sensors and the sensor data, while on the graphs, you see the averages of all sensor data. This list shows your scouts and their current status. These marks give you insight on the scout's connectivity status. To add a new scout, enter its serial number, give it a name, and choose the correct soil type. Having the correct soil type is critical to define the field capacity that will influence your water balance graph. More details are available in our Help Center if you need help selecting it. Place your scout on the map before saving. You can come back to your scout's properties at any time to view or modify its settings. You can also group scouts and track their average behavior over time. Your new group appears in the scout list with a dedicated icon. You can view all your scouts here and filter them by connectivity or alerts. Next to each scout are its latest measurements. Choose which parameter to display or sort scouts by their most recent values. To explore an individual scout's data history, select it and scroll through the graphs. The overview shows the latest reading, timestamp, and number of packets sent in the last 24 hours, the data messages sent. If your scout sends data every 20 minutes, you should see around 60 to 70 packets per day when the connectivity is optimal. You have the historical data for moisture, temperature, salinity, and water balance. And finally, our hero product, Happy 100, can even measure underground oxygen levels. You can drag the graphs, zoom in, and adjust the view to the desired time frame from the graph or using the blue calendar menu. The data from the graphs can be exported in CSV format. To compare data, select multiple scouts to display them on the same graph. That's all for this first video. In the next one, you will learn how to create alerts, do analysis, and check your receivers.